You're in the middle of your open book exam. You know the answer is somewhere in your notes, but the clock is ticking and you can't find it fast enough. That's the nightmare we're solving today. In this lecture, you will learn how to tag, highlight, and link your notes so you can jump to the right section instantly. Whether you're using Google Docs, OneNote, or a PDF, the goal is the same. Turn your notes into a searchable command center. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to use consistent formatting, bold, color, headings to make scanning easy. Tag key topics with unique keywords or symbols. Create clickable links or section headers for instant navigation. Think like a skimmer, not a reader. When you're taking an exam, you're not reading your notes, you're skimming. That means your notes should look like a clean menu, not a textbook. Use formatting that catches your eye fast. Try this visual pattern. Headings, bold, plus. All caps, e.g. causes of inflation. Key terms, bold only, e.g. monetary policy. Definitions, examples, bullets or indentation. Important facts, dates. Highlight in yellow or color code. Example, carbon cycle. Natural process of carbon moving through the atmosphere, land, and ocean. CO2 is absorbed by plants, released via respiration and combustion. Photosynthesis, key process. Use keyword tags and icons to mark topics. Tagging helps you spot patterns and jump quickly. Pick a set of consistent tags or even emojis to highlight key ideas, such as definitions, common exam traps, must-know examples, core concepts, and useful under time pressure. Example, opportunity cost. What you give up when you choose one option over another. Example, choosing to study means giving up time with friends. You'll train your eyes to spot these instantly during the exam. Create quick links in digital notes. If your notes are long, and they probably are, you need clickable links. In Google Docs, use built-in heading styles, heading 1, 2, etc. Then go to Insert, Table of Contents, with links. In OneNote, divide notes into sections and pages. Use Insert, Link to jump across sections. In PDFs, editable, use bookmarks or create a linked table of contents. Example, got a question about climate treaties? Click straight to International Agreements, no dragging, no guessing. Organize with folders, if using multiple files. Don't let 10 tabs wreck your focus. Put all your notes, slides, and files in one folder. Use a naming system like 01 Essay Planning, 02 Key Theories, 03 Case Studies. Even better, make a summary doc at the top with quick links to each file. It's like having a dashboard. You're not opening files blindly during the exam. You shouldn't be reading your notes during the test. You should be finding what you need in under 10 seconds. That's what formatting, tagging, and linking are for. It may feel like extra work now, but during the exam, it saves your brain. Set up your notes like a GPS. Punch in the destination and go straight there.